Hello kids, today we are going to see about reflection symmetry, translation symmetry and rotational symmetry. First, let us start with reflection symmetry. What's the reflection symmetry? Let me explain with you with the help of examples. Imagine the situation, standing in front of a mirror, Kumaran was getting ready to celebrate his birthday. He noticed a beautiful sentence, that is, I love mom. Okay, I love mom. Okay, I love mom. Written on his t-shirt, which was presented by his uncle. In these words, he saw I and mom. Okay, I and mom. Looking the same in the mirror. Okay, I and the mom looking same. So imagine the mirror is here. Okay, mirror is here. So he saw that mirror. The word I and mom doesn't change. Okay, so same in the mirror. I and mom. Okay, but the word love did not appear the same. It looked like, that is, it looked like E-O-B-L. Okay, it looked like this. Okay. Out of the curiosity, he took out some alphabet cards and started checking which of the alphabet would look the same in the mirror. He found a few alphabet, that is A-H-I. Okay, A-H-I look the same in the mirror because they have the lines of symmetry. What is the lines of symmetry? Already we know about the lines of symmetry. The lines of symmetry divides the figure into two equal halves. Divides the figure. So taking the alphabet A, okay, taking the alphabet A, so divide the figure into the two equal halves. Okay, here this is one half, this other half. The two equal halves is called the lines of symmetry. Okay, the line is called the lines of symmetry. When you keep the mirror along the lines of symmetry, the other half of the figure gets reflected. Okay, reflected by the mirror, and it look the same. Okay, and it look the same. When you keep a mirror along the lines of symmetry, the other half of the figure gets reflected by the mirror, and it look the same. Okay, this is known as the reflection symmetry or the mirror symmetry. This is called the reflection symmetry or the mirror symmetry. Okay, mirror symmetry. Okay, a shape has a reflection. A shape has a reflection if it has a lines of symmetry. Okay, note the point. A shape has reflection if it has a lines of symmetry. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the definition of reflection. The reflection is when an object is seen in a mirror. Okay, when an object is seen in a mirror. Okay, so taking that object, okay, taking that alphabet P, okay, when an object is seen in the mirror, okay, imagine the mirror is here, okay, the image obtained on the other side of the mirror, is called the reflection. So we get the reflection image, that is, so if the mirror is here, the reflection of P is the reflection of P is here. Okay, so this is called the mirror is called its reflection. Okay, reflection. When an object is seen in the mirror, the image obtained on the other side of the mirror is called the reflection. So, okay, this is the reflection of P. Okay, so let us take some examples. Let us take an example. Okay, taking the word hide. Okay, taking the word hide. Okay, here, what word will you see if a mirror is placed below the words hide? Okay, what word will you see if a mirror is placed? Okay, suppose if the mirror is placed here. Okay, if a mirror is placed here, the word appear. The mirror image of hide is, so here the H-I-D-E. So here the word has a lines of symmetry. Okay, lines of symmetry, because what is the lines of symmetry? figure into two equal halves. So here H has a two equal halves, and I has a two equal halves, and D is a two equal halves. D has a lines of symmetry, I has a lines of symmetry, H has a lines of symmetry, and E is also a lines of symmetry. Okay, so if it has a lines of symmetry, mirror along the lines of symmetry, the other half of the figure gets reflected by the mirror, and it look the same. Okay, and it look the same. So the reflection of height is look the same. Okay, H I D E. Okay, so this is the mirror symmetry. Okay, this is the mirror symmetry. Taking the another one example, taking the word wick. Okay, if I place the mirror is here, okay, the reflection of the images, so the W is reflected, then we get the reflection of W is this. So I has a lines of symmetry, so it doesn't change, it looks the same. And C, okay, C K, okay, so we get the reflection of wick. Okay, and taking another word look. Okay, look. So the reflection of look, if I place the mirror is here, mirror is right here. So here this is the mirror. Okay, imagine the mirror is right here. So the reflection of look we get. So the reflection is there. Reflection of K O O L. Okay. The reflection of symmetry or the mirror symmetry. Okay.